All right, so we have this Olympiad Mathematics to solve right now. X cubed plus x squared equals 36. So what we do first is move this 36 to the side and equate everything to 0. So the next thing we do is look for two numbers. One has to be a cube and the other is square, all right, to fit in to this variable. So we have x cubed plus x squared minus 27 minus 9 equals 0, right? So x cubed, this comes here, but this is a cube as well. X squared, this comes here because it's a squared. This is x cubed minus 3 cubed plus x squared minus 3 squared equals 0. Now, what we do is apply this expansion rule. It says a minus b in bracket a squared plus ab plus b squared. And then for this one, a squared minus b squared equals a minus b, which is difference of two squares. Okay, so we're going to use this to expand this expression or this equation. So starting with this one, we have x minus 3, where a is x and b is 3. And here we have x squared plus x dot 3 plus 3 squared. Remember this one, x minus 3 and x plus 3 equals 0. So here we have x minus 3 is common, so we factor that out and we're left with this and this. So x squared plus 3x plus 9 plus x plus 3 equal to 0. Okay, so we have x minus 3, and then this is x squared plus this, 4x, 9 plus 3, 12. Now this is equal to, x minus 3 is equal to 0, 4x squared plus 4x plus 12 equal to 0. This gives us 3, and here we're going to use the formula method to crush it. And this is because it can't be solved using the factorization method, because this is a bit complex. So our b is 4, our a is 1, coefficient of x squared, and our c is 12. So this is minus 4 plus or minus square root of 4 square minus 4 dot 1 dot 12 all over 2 dot 1. So minus 4 plus or minus 16 minus, this will give us minus 48 all over 2. I'm going to wipe this out. Remember, this is our first solution, so let's get the remaining 2. So we have minus 4 plus or minus. This, when we subtract, It's going to give us minus 32. All over 2. Minus 4 plus or minus. This is 16 times minus 1 times 2. All over 2. Okay, minus 4 plus or minus square root of 16 dot square root of minus 1 dot square root of 2 all over 2. So this is minus 4 plus or minus 4. This is 4i root 2 all over 2. We have something that is common, which is 2. So we're going to factor out 2. We're going to factor out 2. So this is 2 in bracket of minus 2 plus or minus 2i root 2 all over 2. This goes. And so we can still factor out 2 here to give us minus 1 plus or minus I. Okay, so now to get the 2 solution, this is x1 and this is x2. We have 2 minus 1 plus I root 2, and x3 is 2 minus 1 minus I root 2. So these are the three solutions for this question. The complex solutions and the main solution. Okay, so if you've watched up to this point, it means you've gained a lot of value in this video. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, hit on the notification bell, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.